We're working very closely at this point to make sure that we're doing everything that we can do to locate the submersible and rescue those on board.
The race is on after a submersible did not return from the Atlantic Ocean on Sunday as planned. 5 are on board that vessel that was diving to tour the wreckage of the Titanic in water more than 2 miles deep. The search tonight is 900 miles east of Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Abby Ngozi of NBC Boston has the latest.
The website describes a trip of a lifetime, taking tourists to see the world's most famous shipwreck up close. But now the search is on for the missing submarine that set out to explore the Titanic and has yet to return. The submersible that's owned by OceanGate Expeditions submerged Sunday morning to see the wreckage that's located 900 nautical miles east of Cape Cod. Canadian authorities said the vessel was reported overdue Sunday afternoon near Newfoundland. And now the U.S. Coast Guard 1st District, which covers all of New England, is leading the search and rescue mission. John Mauger is the Rear Admiral of that district.
We've really brought all assets that we have available to us to bear on finding the submersible and the people in it.
He says they've been told there are 5 people on board, including the pilot, and they are using everything they can to find them, knowing there's only a 4-day oxygen supply on board.
And so that gives us some time to effect a search. But when something happens on the high seas, it gets complicated quickly because of winds, oceans, drift, all that stuff.
OceanGate only releasing this statement saying, quote, "Our entire focus is on the crew members in the submersible and their families. We are deeply thankful for the extensive assistance that we've received from several government agencies and deep sea companies in our efforts to reestablish contact with the submersible."
Again, that was Abby Ngozi reporting, and as she told us, the Coast Guard said originally there were about 96 hours of oxygen available on board in case of an emergency. Right now, there should be about 70 hours left.